The cockroach. Classification. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Arthropoda. Class Insecta. Scientific name Periplaneta americana and Blatta orientalis. Common name brown cockroach and gray cockroach. Structure. They have a flat segmented body which is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. A chitinous exoskeleton covers the body. The head. The head has a pair of compound eyes used for vision. A pair of long flexible antennae used for smelling, feeling and detecting vibrations set up by moving objects. Mouth parts, that is jaws, which can chew hard food. B. The thorax. The thorax is divided into 3 segments. A pair of jointed legs is attached to each segment. 2 pairs of wings are attached to the thorax. The first pair of wings, called the tegmina, are not used for flights, but to protect the second pair. The second pair, called the flight wings, are used for flight. C. The abdomen. The abdomen is flat and has 10 segments. Each segment has a pair of spiracles for breathing. The 2 last segments of the male and female cockroach bear the anal sacci, which are sense organs. Mode of life. A. Feeding. The cockroach feeds on all types of food, example, food scraps, garbage, cloths, paper, and even their own shed exoskeleton and dead cockroach. They have strong jaws used in chewing and tearing food. Breeding. They breed using spiracles. Life cycle. It undergoes incomplete metamorphosis. The young resembles the parents, but lack wings, lack reproductive structures, and are smaller in size. During mating, the sperms of the male are placed in a special pouch in the female. As the eggs pass by the pouch, they are fertilized. The female lays about 16 eggs in a hard protective case called an ootheca. The ootheca is then cemented in a secure corner where it is not easy to see. Young cockroaches called nymph hatch from the eggs. The nymph grows by ecdysis, molting 6 or 7 times to become the adult. The nymph and the adult share similar characteristics, which include living in the same habitat, having similar mouth parts and therefore feeding on the same type of food, being nocturnal, they hate light. Economic importance. They are a pest to man. They destroy clothing, books and other paper products by eating holes in them or staining them with their feces. They pollute man's food if it is not kept in well-covered containers. Because of their filthy habit of visiting latrines, they may carry disease germs that cause typhoid, cholera, and amoebic dysentery. Control. By spraying insecticide on areas where they breed. Food should be covered every time in kitchens. Use camphor to repel them. Sweet things should not be thrown around. Keep the surrounding clean.